Hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel Gyan Quiz. আজি মই লৈ আহিছো গ্ৰেড 3 আৰু গ্ৰেড 4 ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীৰ বাবে সহজ আৰু দৰকাৰী 20টা জেনেৰেল নলেজ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ। এই প্ৰশ্নবোৰ শিশুসকলৰ সাধাৰণ জ্ঞান বৃদ্ধি কৰাত সহায় কৰে আৰু স্কুলৰ কুইজ পৰীক্ষা বা প্ৰতিযোগিতাত ভাল ফলাফল লাভ কৰিবলৈ সহায় কৰে। ভিডিঅ'টো দিয়া জিকে প্ৰশ্নবোৰ বিজ্ঞান, প্ৰকৃতি, জন্তু, জানোৱাৰ, দেশ বিদেশ আৰু সাধাৰণ তথ্যৰ ওপৰত ভিত্তি কৰি তৈয়াৰ কৰা হৈছে যাতে শিশুসকলে সহজভাৱে শিকিব পাৰে। যদি আপুনি জিকে কুইজ এডুকেশ্যন আৰু ইণ্টাৰেষ্টিং ফেক্টছ ভাল পায় তেন্তে এই চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰক আৰু নতুন ভিডিঅ'ৰ বাবে অপেক্ষা কৰক। 1 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল হোৱাট ইজ দ্য কেপিটেল অফ ইণ্ডিয়া? এনচাৰ নিউ দিল্লী। 2 নম্বৰ হু মেনি ডেজ আৰ দেয়াৰ ইন এ উইক? উত্তৰ 7 days। 3 নম্বৰ question answer which animal is called the king of the jungle? Answer lion। 4 number question answer how many colors are there in a rainbow? Answer 7 colors। 5 number question answer which is the largest planet in the solar system? Answer Jupiter। 6 number question answer which bird is known for talking like humans? Answer parrot। 7 number question answer hole how many months are there in a year? Answer 12 months। 8 question answer what is the national animal of India? Answer tiger। 9 question answer which festival is known as the festival of largest in India? Answer Diwali। 10 number question answer which plant is known as the red plant? Answer March। 11th question answer which is the largest ocean in the world? Answer Pacific Ocean। 12th question answer what do bees make? Answer honey। 13 number question answer which fruit is known as the king of the fruits? Answer mango। 14 question answer how many legs does a spider have? Answer 8 legs। 15th question answer what is the national bird of India? Answer peacock। 16 number question answer which gas do plants take in from the air? Answer carbon dioxide। 17th question answer who is the fastest land animal? Answer cheetah। 18 number question answer what do we call water when it freezes? Answer LC। 19 question answer how many continents are there on Earth? Answer 7। 20 question answer which day comes after Friday? Answer Saturday।